Making changes with electricity by manipulating Jell-O here, by sticking pins in a potato, by adding in lemons, things like that. But we wouldn't even know anything's going on unless we had some way to see this or to hear it. So in this case, we're hearing it. And what's allowing us to hear it is this guy right here. I have breadboarded a square wave oscillator. And it's just one simple chip that costs about 50 cents. It's a 74HC14. And this is being powered by two AA batteries. Across pins 1 and 2, I have a resistor of about 22 kilo ohms. And then from pin 1 to ground, I have an electrolytic capacitor that is about 10 microfarads. All right, but essentially what that's doing is it's creating a waveform, it's creating a tone. That tone is dependent upon the resistance or the capacitance of these foods that I'm adding in, or these organic substances I'm adding in. And adding in those organic substances or electrolytes is changing the action of the oscillator, and we can hear it as a change in the frequency of the oscillator. So it's more of an indicator rather than an instrument in itself.